అహ్మదాబాద్లో జరిగిన ఘోర విమాన దుర్ఘటనను పౌర విమానయాన శాఖ అత్యంత తీవ్రంగా పరిగణిస్తోంది. అని కేంద్ర మంత్రి రామ్మోహన్ నాయుడు తెలిపారు. విమానయాన భద్రతపై ఆయన ఉన్నతాధికారులతో సమీక్ష నిర్వహించారు. ప్రమాదం జరిగిన వెంటనే ఘటనా స్థలిలో సహాయక చర్యలు చేపట్టినట్లు తెలిపారు. గుజరాత్ ప్రభుత్వం, పౌర విమానయాన శాఖ సంయుక్తంగా స్పందించినట్లు పేర్కొన్నారు. విమాన ప్రమాదంపై దర్యాప్తు కొనసాగుతోందని, బ్లాక్ బాక్స్ దొరికిందని దాన్ని డీకోడ్ చేస్తున్నామని చెప్పారు.
And to look into all the theories or other information that is going around this incident, we felt it would be much better to have another committee also overlooking into this crash and also the safety. So yesterday I've announced it before only that we are going to form another high-level committee before, and immediately we have constituted the committee also yesterday under the chairmanship of Home Secretary. And like our initial thought, we wanted to have experts in the committee from various sectors and not less than any joint secretary level. So accordingly, we have constituted the committee. We have circulated the order also of the high-level committee which is going to investigate this crash. So like I said, the Home Secretary is going to be the chairman of the committee, Secretary Ministry of Civil Aviation, Additional Secretary from MHA, one representative from the state of Gujarat where the incident actually happened, representative from State Disaster Response Authority, Government of Gujarat, Police Commissioner Ahmedabad, DG Inspection and Safety from the Indian Air Force, DG BCAS, which is the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security, DG DGCA, Special Director from IB, and Director from the Directorate of Forensic Sciences Services. So like you see, the composition of the high-level committee involves people from various backgrounds, and the people we feel who can bring in a lot of expertise and value to the committee which is going to investigate in a holistic way into the incident. And we have put a time limit of 3 months for them to sit down, talk to various stakeholders, and involve and discuss with any other important expert that is necessary as per their investigation. And most of the issues that you feel there need to be answers, the committee is also going to strongly pursue these things and will come up with their report.
दुर्घटनाग्रस्त हो गया है और इसकी विस्तृत जानकारी हमने एटीसी अहमदाबाद के जरिए ली, जिसका विवरण मैं देना चाहूंगा आगे के 2 या 3 मिनट में। यह एक AIC 171 एक शेड्यूल्ड फ्लाइट अहमदाबाद से गैटविक के लिए, और इसमें कुल 242 लोग सवार थे, जिसमें 230 यात्री थे, 2 पायलट और 10 क्रू मेंबर्स थे। इस विमान ने दोपहर 1:39 पर टेक ऑफ किया था और कुछ ही सेकंड्स में लगभग 650 फीट की ऊंचाई पर पहुंचने के पश्चात ये सिंक करने लगा, अर्थात ऊंचाई खोने लगा था। 1:39 में पायलट ने अहमदाबाद ATC को उसने मे डे अर्थात फुल इमरजेंसी की सूचना दी थी। ATC के अनुसार जब उसने विमान से संपर्क करने की कोशिश की, उसका कोई उत्तर नहीं मिला। ठीक 1 मिनट के बाद यह विमान हमारे एयरपोर्ट से लगे मेधाणी नगर, जो हवाई अड्डे से लगभग 2 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर स्थित है, यह विमान दुर्घटनाग्रस्त हो गया था। विमान की कप्तान कैप्टन सुमित सबरवाल थे और प्रथम अधिकारी थे क्लाइव सुंदर। जहां तक विमान के पूरे इतिहास की बात है, विमान ने इस दुर्घटना से पहले पेरिस दिल्ली अहमदाबाद सेक्टर की उड़ान बिना किसी घटना के पूरी की थी। उसमें कोई रिपोर्ट नहीं थी। पेरिस से दिल्ली और दिल्ली से अहमदाबाद सेक्टर की उड़ान बिना किसी घटना के पूरी की थी, और दुर्घटना के कारण रनवे को 2:30 बजे 2:30 में इसको बंद कर दिया गया, और उसके बाद सारे प्रोटोकॉल को पूरा